Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Tonight, we're going to discuss how to rebound. If you mess up with your keto diet and you have that cherry pie one night, it's filled with sugar, and you fell off the wagon, don't despair. There are strategies to get back on track very readily, and we're going to talk about them tonight. You know, keto enthusiasts, we've all been there, that moment when you realize you've veered off the path of your ketogenic journey. Whether it's a slice of birthday cake, an extra serving of sweet potato fries, or a week where meal prep just didn't happen, setbacks can feel so disheartening. However, these moments are not the end of your progress. Instead, they're invaluable learning opportunities. Here's how to turn keto setbacks into stepping stones for keto success. Number 1, embrace the setback. First and foremost, acknowledge and accept the setback. Berating yourself won't undo the carbs consumed, nor will it propel you forward. Understand that perfection is unrealistic in any lifestyle change, especially one that involves as much discipline as keto. Setbacks are a natural part of the process, not failures. Okay, now let's analyze what went wrong. This is a significant strategy. Take a moment to reflect on what led to the setback. Was it a social situation where the food options were limited? Did emotions drive you to comfort eat? Perhaps it was a lack of preparation. Identifying the trigger is the first step towards preventing a similar situation in the future. Now, let's talk about learning and adapting. Once you've pinpointed the cause, brainstorm solutions for next time. If social situations are your downfall, consider eating before you go or bringing a keto-friendly dish to share. For emotional eating, find non-food ways to cope, like talking to a friend, journaling, or going for a walk. If meal prep was the issue, set aside time each week for grocery shopping and cooking. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Now let's talk about setting realistic expectations. It's crucial to set realistic expectations for yourself. This keto diet is a significant lifestyle change that requires adaptation. Recognize that setbacks will happen, and it's okay. What's important is how you respond and adjust. Small, sustainable changes are more impactful than drastic swings in diet and behavior. Now let's talk about building a reliable support system. You know, a strong support system can be a game changer for you. Connect with fellow keto enthusiasts who understand the journey. Share your experiences, seek advice, and celebrate each other's successes. Knowing you're not alone can make all the difference in the world. Now, let's talk about focusing in on the positives. Instead of dwelling on the setback, focus on the positives. Celebrate the meals you did prepare, the times you resisted temptation, and the overall progress you have made. Positive reinforcement is a powerful motivator. Now let's talk about educating yourself. You know, continually Educating yourself about the ketogenic lifestyle is very beneficial. Understanding the science behind keto can help you make informed decisions about your diet. It can reignite your motivation and commitment to your goals. Now, in conclusion, setbacks on your keto journey are not failures, but opportunities to learn, grow, and become more resilient. By embracing these moments, analyzing what went wrong, and implementing strategies for the future, you turn potential stumbling blocks into stepping stones towards success. Remember, the journey to a healthier lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep moving forward, and you'll reach your destination. And there you go. I hope this was helpful to you this evening. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below the video. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button right underneath this video. I truly appreciate you doing that. Thank you so very much. And again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.